Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is equal to 2x power 3 minus 3x square minus 36 times of x plus 7 is increasing, and in which interval it is decreasing. And since we know that the given function will change its behavior when f dash of x is equal to 0. So let's find the differentiation. F dash of x is equal to, so it's the 6x square minus 6x minus 36 plus 0, which equals to, taking 6 common, we can get x square minus x minus 6, and this can also be factorized, and we can write x plus 2 into x minus 3. Is it plus 2x and minus 3x is minus x, and 2 into minus 3 is negative 6. And for f dash of x is equal to 0, let f dash of x is equal to 0. So which implies x plus 2 into x minus 3 6 times is equal to 0. So which implies x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to 3. Anyhow 6 cannot be equal to 0, so we can take x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to 3. So these 2 points will divide the number line into 3 intervals. Let's take these 2 points. Minus infinity to plus infinity is the number line. So negative 2, and let's consider here positive 3. So this minus 2 and 3 will divide the interval into totally 3 parts. First part, that is minus infinity to minus 2, and the second part minus 2 to 3, second interval, and again the third interval 3 to infinity, whereby we need to confirm that in which interval the given function is positive, your f dash x is positive or not. Or by using our wavy curve method, the simple method is that by using wavy curve method, you can just start taking the curve, and these are all linear factors. This wavy curve method being explained and given in the description box link. You can just check out the video to get good subject knowledge there. So taking the curve from here, so again it's taking the curve at minus 2. So we can just simply say that it is positive in 3 to infinity, and in minus 2 to 3 it is negative, and again from minus infinity to minus 2 it is positive. Okay, by using wavy curve method, we can say here in the first minus infinity to minus 2 union again 3 to infinity, the given function is increasing, and in minus 2 to 3 it is a decreasing. That's it. And by now, without using the wavy curve method, and just identified in minus infinity to minus 2 by taking any one particular value. Let me take minus 4. So let me consider minus 4. F dash of, since we know f dash of x is equal to 6 into x plus 2 and x minus 3, and f dash of negative 4 is equal to 6 times of minus 4 plus 2 into minus 4 minus 3. So this is the first positive 6 into, and this is minus 4 plus 2 is negative, and again minus 4 minus 3 is negative 7. So we can say this is positive. So it is positive in minus infinity to minus infinity, your f dash of x is positive, we can conclude. And in the interval minus 2 to 2 plus 3, so by taking any one particular value, let me take 0 as one simple value. So f dash of 0 is equal to 6 times of 0 plus 2 into 0 minus 3. So we can consider 0 into 6 into 2 into negative 3. So it is negative. So we can say, we can conclude that in minus 2 to 3 interval we are getting negative. And again in the interval 3 to infinity, so let me take any one particular value, say this is say 5. You can take f dash of 5 is equal to 6 times of 5 plus 2 into 5 minus 3. So that is 6 into 7 into 5 minus 3 is 2, which is positive. So we can just conclude that now in minus infinity to minus, your f is increasing, your function f is increasing in minus infinity to minus 2 union again 3 to infinity, and f is decreasing in minus 2 to minus 2 comma 3. Since f dash x is positive, and since here f dash x is negative in this interval. Okay, so without just verification, by using wavy curve method also we can get the solution. Okay, thank you.